Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to delete saved pins on Pinterest using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So now, just go ahead and open your Pinterest application and go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen. And then here you can see all of your pinned posts. So just go ahead and choose any pinned post that you want to remove. For example, this one. So now I want you to do is to click on the three little dots at the upper right corner of your screen and click on Edit Pin. So now you can see the delete this pin at the lower part of your screen. So you just want to click on that. And here, if you are sure about your action, you need to click the delete button. So if you delete this pin, it will be gone for good and those who saved it won't be able to view it. So just go ahead and click on delete. So now as you can see, that pin post is now deleted. Okay, so that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.